Hi guys, good morning. It's day 3. So when it gets to like day 3 or 4, I always miscount. It's day 3, the full third day actually in Dubai, and this is past 10. Breakfast ends by 11 a.m. and this is past 10. We haven't gone to get breakfast. I think I'm just being lazy because if you know what that meant. But it's not better to just eat something instead of getting hungry till like lunchtime. But anyway, today we're going to the desert safari. Yeah. I'm actually looking forward to it, but because that trip isn't until afternoon, that is going to be like around 3ish, and then obviously we'll be there till evening and stuff. I'm trying to edit a video for this coming Sunday. Can you guys see? It's going to be the never have I ever video, which will already be on my YouTube channel. So if you haven't watched that, make sure you watch it after this video, okay? Anyway, yeah, I just want to edit that now, see if I can schedule anything, and see if I can put it out, obviously that's what I'll be putting out on YouTube tomorrow, being Sunday. But I just want to see if I can use this time window to edit it. And it sounds as if I'm rambling, so if I do get breakfasts before 11, I'll let you guys know. But if not, I'll see you when we're on our way to the desert safari. All right, bye. Hi guys, so leaving now for the activity of the day, and we're told to wear our team shirt. I'm wearing that with my joggers and my what's it called, sandals. What's it called? Dubai accent wants to change. What do you get? Anyway, let me show you guys the flip. So this is what I look like this. I'm taking cardigan because just in case it gets cold, all that good stuff. All right guys, see ya. Kwa. Ole. Oshodi. Okay. Yes. Tommy, let's go. One day I will try it, but not today. You're not ready. No. How do you know? Tommy, let's go. She exaggerated it. Say hello. So he said he thinks I'm 20 years old.
Yeah.
Right?
He's young.
I'm young. That's good that you think I'm 20. How old are you?
26.
You're 26?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you married?
MashaAllah. Very,
Do you have kids?
No. بتسألني عاوز تتزوج. والله؟
والله Okay, what's the black one?
Black one?
Black?
I don't know.
No, black is not good. This is good.
Not the black thing.
شوف هذا تاني سمان حاجات تانية.
Yeah, that one.
this أي
Yes.
this nice. شيخ. ركب لها.
What's it called? What's the name?
Name is this Kotra.
Kotra.
Yeah.
قطرة. يا
قطرة.
شيخ.
Big head.
No, this is nice.
Big head.
Okay.
Big head.
Ooh.
Come, I click one picture this side.
Okay.
Very, very good.
Let me see. No, not fine. I don't like it.
She's going to go on the camel.
What do I do?
Don't worry, it's friendly.
Okay. Okay.
Don't worry.
He's looking at me. Why is he looking at me? Yeah? No, I want it on my hand.
Okay. One.
Okay. Wait, that's okay. No, he's not answering you. He's looking at me. Okay.
Not for you, exactly.
Hi. I like to do my hand. Is it the left or the right?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
You make like this 20, 30, 40.
No. It's free for us.
Just one flower.
It's free for us.
Yeah,
Free.
one flower.
No problem.
Okay.
Thank you. Well done. So how long would this stay? 1 week. Thank you. Hi guys, so we're back to the hotel now, and guess who slept in the bus? Me. I was so tired, but it was so much fun. Somebody tried to discourage us not to go on. Thank God they don't bashing. Your body will pay you after. See, I came for it. Don't worry about my body. But I enjoyed every bit of it. I couldn't do much vlogging because the car was literally going like this. But I mean, I know you guys must have seen one or two. So yeah, that's it for tonight. Tomorrow I'm going to bring you guys along because activity in the morning, and we'll probably just go hang out late. Or all right, see you guys tomorrow.